Levi had yogurt because he's allergic to eggs. So he's going to have yogurt and oatmeal. Oh, Poe, you want this? Oh, are you telling me you want this? It's kind of hard to understand what you're saying. Stay. Get it. Yes?
I have a surprise for you.
Oh, what is it? Oh, it's so beautiful. I love it so much. Thank you.
Do you want to try to smell it?
I do. Oh, it's nice. Can you smell it?
It smells very nice to me.
It's beautiful. Thank you, baby.
You can probably find other flowers and make a bouquet like flowers on the tree.
That would be so nice. Maybe you could find me some more flowers and make a bouquet for me. Gotta get it mixed up and it'll defrost. And Renee, you wanted honey on yours?
Yes.
Okay.
Honey. That's what I don't like honey in oatmeal. And I don't like honey.
Oh, Renee loves honey.
Hey, what about tried honey in oatmeal? I have tried honey, but I don't like it. But you could try it in oh, it's hot. You could.
So Charity, how do you like to eat your oatmeal? What's your favorite way?
I like to eat it with cream and mixed berries.
Cream and mixed berries. Okay, Renee, what's your favorite way to eat oatmeal?
Put honey in it.
Honey, but do you like cream?
No.
And do you like berries?
No.
Just honey. And I put cinnamon in the base oatmeal. So I always make a base oatmeal, and then they make it the way they like it. So Renee's just honey and cinnamon. Talia, what about you? What do you like? How do you like your oatmeal?
I like just plain with blueberries, but
We were out of blueberries.
so I had to put in mixed berries.
And do you like cream?
No.
No. So you can see they all got a different kind of oatmeal based on what they like. Now Levi, on the other hand, he'll eat any kind, and he'll eat it all.
Look, it's
The boy loves to eat.
My oatmeal is turning pink.
Mine too.
Yep,
berries.
because the berries are melting. That makes the oatmeal cool down faster too, huh?
Oh my goodness, this is just so hot.
Yeah, you didn't have any frozen berries in yours to cool it down. Maybe you should eat your egg first.
Okay.
Oatmeal.
Protein.
It is protein, you're right. Eating protein first thing in the morning is really good for you. It helps set your appetite for the rest of the day. Are you hungry? You ready to eat your oatmeals? Beautiful. So it has been a long time since I've been on, at least regularly, and through the whole like March and April and May, I've really felt like just needing to focus in on my family and get through all of the craziness and changes that have happened. And then in the last couple of weeks, it was definitely not the time to hop back on. I was kind of extending my own blackout in honor of the conversations that have been going on. The tragic murder of George Floyd just needed some time to be quiet and listen. And so that's what I've been doing. But I do have the desire to get back on and share with you guys. I know people miss us, and I appreciate those of you that have reached out. I just really appreciate that. So anyways, I wanted to do a day in the life. I don't have a lot to offer right now. I feel like I don't have it in me to do lots of fancy cooking videos and put all that work into that. And part of the reason is because I'm not having childcare. I used to have a day every other week where I'd have the kids taken care of, and that's just not happening right now because of the pandemic and all that stuff. So it's just hard to find the quiet to be able to do videos like that. But I can do things like day in the life videos and kind of just show you real life cooking, which I know a lot of you guys really like that the best anyway. So I am trying to motivate myself to just make it happen. When you are a YouTuber and you get out of the habit of making videos, it's extremely hard to get back into the habit. And so that's kind of what I've been fighting right now. But anyways, today I'm starting. We'll see how it goes. I'm not making any promises. I've learned not to make promises about videos and schedules too much, because my priorities are my family, and so that'll always take precedent. So I try not to promise videos when, of course, something could come up. But it is my hope and my desire to get back into sharing a little more regularly. And so we are headed out for a hike. I have been working hard to find more parks that are like hiking nature parks, because all of the playgrounds are still closed in our area, and hopefully they'll open soon, but I still don't know when. And so I've been finding more parks where we can just do hikes. Yesterday we went on a little hike and Levi came with us, and he is not a hiker yet. He was so unmotivated. He just wanted to eat snacks the whole time, and he kept crawling up into his cousin's stroller. We were with my brother and my niece, and she didn't want to be in her stroller. She wanted to be running with the big girls, but he was just a lazy little guy and was just climbing up into her stroller every chance he could. So anyways, we're going to be doing a little bit longer of a hike today than we did yesterday. And so I am leaving him home with Autumn. Autumn, I have offered for her to come with us on these kind of things over and over and over again, and she is not interested. She's almost 15. She'll be 15 next week. And she would rather, go on her own bike ride by herself, go on her own little walks and stuff, rather than with all of her sisters. So that's why she's not going to go with us. So it's just going to be me and Talia and Charity and Renee, and we'll do a little bit longer of a hike than we were able to do yesterday with the little bitty kids. So that'll be nice. And I have to run a couple of errands afterwards, trying to combine trips. We have bottle return here in Oregon, and but the stores have not been accepting bottle returns for the last couple of months. So we have a stockpile of cans and bottles that I need to get returned and get the deposits back. So I'm going to try to do that, as apparently they were supposed to open and start accepting returns again June 1st. And so I'm going to be seeing if that is the case. So that's what we're headed out to do, and we're going to bring you along with us. Renee's going to beat everyone. You've got to better hurry. The first time we were here a couple weeks ago, we did the Summit Trail, just like that. And then last time we were here, we did the West Ridge and then part of the Park Loop Trail to do like that. And we had Levi with us. And so we needed something a little more simple. But I think since it's just us this time, we're going to try to do the whole Park Loop Trail all the way up here and around.
So this way.
You think we can do it?
Yeah, this way.
All right. Well, yeah, we could go either way, but yeah, let's go this way. You could, yeah, but I think the only big animals that we're going to maybe see is some deer, and you wouldn't want to hit the nice deer. Right, I'm just saying, there's probably not going to be any monsters, but there might be some deer, and don't hit the deer. Yeah. So as far as homeschooling, I thought I'd chat a little bit about where we're at. We're definitely in the summer, in our summer, and that doesn't mean no school, it means less school, and that it's more flexible. I still will play our memory work that we learned from Classical Conversations. We play that every morning. I have it set on my Google Home to start playing in the morning when it's time for chores. What?
Can we take a picture of me?
I'll take a video of you. Say hi.
Hi.
But that's just, kind of on in the background where it keeps it in our minds, but we're not really actively working on memorizing the stuff. And then we do our other schoolwork, but just like a little bit whenever we have the opportunity. Because I find if we're going to be home all day, it works out better for the schedule and for the kids to have some work to do rather than just having a whole free day at home. So like this morning before we left, Talia did a lesson of math, but she's not going to have to do her English and stuff for the rest of the day. Charity still practiced her piano this morning, and I'm hoping to do some vision therapy exercises with Renee a little later this afternoon, because we got to keep up on that, keep everything moving in the right direction.
Hi.
So because we don't take the summer completely off, we kind of get ahead in our books, because we just, you know, what we do in the summer is kind of extra. And so it makes it a lot easier during the school year because we can take time off when we need to. I've never felt stressed about getting to the end of a book by the end of the school year, because we usually are just a little bit ahead, which makes it nice, makes it more laid back, makes things easier. You smelling the flowers? You can smell them from all the way up there? I see.
Yeah. Michael! Talia!
Oh, I think I heard her.
Yeah, I thought that.
She's there.
Talia! You shouldn't run up ahead of us! You don't get eaten by a monster or a tiger or a lion or a rabbit or a cheetah.
Yeah, I think I saw a tiger in this forest once. Just back there. I think it was a Charity tiger. There she is. We thought you got eaten by a tiger. We saw a tiger a little while ago. Charity was pretending to be a tiger. All right, we're about halfway through. The kids are going to have their Cliff Bars. I've been finding Cliff Bars at Grocery Outlet recently for cheap and picking those up. But you kind of have to go with whatever flavors they have. They have spiced pumpkin. Uh-oh, you found a worm? And dark chocolate almond with sea salt. All right.
And I got pumpkin spice.
Yep.
Here, everybody take one.
Are you scared of the worm, Renee?
Renee doesn't like worms.
Oh my goodness. It's okay.
Here. You held the dirt, so I will let you go.
That's a pretty one, huh? It's got some brown and white. All right, let's keep going. We're so close to the end. That's such a great idea. Renee, we made it. Did you think you were gonna die? No. You guys beat us. You beat us. All right, you wanna go see the squirrel? That's not a slide. It's just a squirrel. So we got some of our bottles returned, bottles and cans, and used the money that we got from that to pick up some stuff for dinner. Autumn wanted to make dinner tonight. She's going to do some baked mac and cheese, so we needed a few things, some milk and some pasta for that. And then this yogurt that we like was on sale for a really good price. It's like buy 5 and then you get $1 off of each one, so we got 10. So our errands are done. Now we're going inside, going to have a quiet afternoon. Autumn is making dinner tonight. She's doing a baked macaroni and cheese with cracker crumbs on top.
Oh my goodness. Look at it. It looks like oatmeal. Very tan and yellow oatmeal.
You guys gonna do a taste test of Autumn's new recipe?
Oh my gosh, it looks so good.
It does look good.
I'll try it next.
2 thumbs up, 1.5 thumbs up. Okay.
I don't know if I like it, because sometimes I really don't like things that other people in our family really do like.
Hey!
Don't feed me like a baby.
It's part of the experience.
It's our patent pending macaroni and cheese fork.
Feed me like a baby eater.
Is it hot?
You should feed me like a baby eater.
You don't really like macaroni and cheese as it is, right?
Because you're wrong.
I want to try.
like it.
You want to like it, you just
I
don't.
like Annie's mac and cheese.
Oh. You just don't like stringy cheese?
Blowing it.
No.
No, don't put your hair in it.
I need it.
Poe's ready to taste it.
Is it hot? Don't chew with your mouth open. Is it good, Renee?
Like next time, make
It's delicious.
Good.
next time make Annie's baked mac and cheese.
I give it 100,000 thumbs up.
100,000 thumbs up. How many thumbs up do you give it?
I haven't eaten it
You
yet.
haven't tasted it yet.
I already knew I would give it 2 thumbs up, so
Yeah.
I feel like
What about 100,000 thumbs up? That's what Renee gave it.
No,
Yeah.
she gives it infinity.
She
I
said
give it
she said 100,000 just now.
Well, most of the time she
I say
says
100,001
Okay.
thumbs up.
Well, I say
Poe would give it
100,000.
all of his thumbs up if you'd just let him.
Please,
Might
please,
look better.
please,
Oh. Hey,
please.
hey. Levi is asking to watch Blaze. His favorite show is Blaze and the Monster Machines. He's obsessed with it. Oh man, I've seen more of that show than I've ever
Please,
cared to see of anything in my entire life. Hey, don't touch the buttons.
please,
You want to
please.
watch Blaze? Okay, we'll do that in a minute. Let's see. Jeff got home from work. He's playing video games with the girls for a little bit. I'm having some quality time with Levi. We just read a book about trucks because trucks are his favorite thing in the world. Trucks and cars, anything with wheels, really. Vehicles. And I'm going to be going on a walk here after he goes to bed. I've made that kind of my evening pattern these days since I can't go to the gym. I take a nice walk / run in the evening time, and that's kind of when the girls get to do their screen time and after dinner and all that. So that's the plan for the evening. We're just chilling out for a little while. Do you have anything important to say? Zhuzh, that means car or truck. Anything with wheels he calls a zhuzh. Even if he just has like a Lego wheel, he will call it a zhuzh. And so, zhuzh, it's what he talks about all day, every day. It's his favorite thing in all the world. So obsessed. Zhuzh. Yeah.
Please.
You ready to watch Blaze? Okay, let's find some Blaze. So I am out on my walk right now. This is how I've been getting my alone time the last couple of months. It's hard to get alone time in a small house with 5 kids, but it's been working out and it helps me stay active and just get some fresh air. So I just walk around our neighborhood at our local park here, and it's really nice. I've been really enjoying it. I don't see myself stopping anytime soon. So that is my day in the life today. Thanks for hanging out. And I hear the rain starting, but I'm an Oregonian and a little rain never hurt anybody, especially an Oregonian. So anyways, that's it for me today. Hope you guys are all doing great, and hopefully I'll see you again real soon.